Ay, ano? Ganyan pala.
Asan yung one word? Document?
Search ko nga si Ellie. Ano ba yung Bigo ID niya po? Bigo name niya. Search ko mamaya ulit. Hello, thank you for tapping. How's your life anyway, Well? How's your life there in Australia? Oh, sige. TKLE, sige. Tingnan ko mamaya. Tingnan ko mamaya. You know, Quel, I just...
Scan lang siya, dili daw i-broadcast ang password ko. Baka daw nag-connect mo ng
I just stalk you, I just stalk you and then you're like explorer. He likes like you're explorer.
Scan lang, ayun i-broadcast.
You're full Filipino, right? Getting ready. Hi, Kevin. Hello.
Ang wifi ko na bibendo nila.
Oh, after that, I really hope I'm gonna spend my Christmas also for spreading blessings, but I don't think so. Hoy, alam mo, do you know how to speak Tagalog? Kasi you're full Filipino. Gonna speak Tagalog. Kwel.
Disconnect na ko to akong kapiki.
Ayaw, i-PK. Ano mo, PK man ka?
Kabalo.
Bida, ba ako, Ben? Bida?
Wala may sulit.
So you just... Where did you live? Like, Australia. And then, you born here in the Philippines or on the Australia? Ba't filter? Tara, filter. Ang dami,
Nalagiti, yung May pa. Pasay po isang bangko.
You moved to Australia 15 years, so you just born on here in the Philippines. So you know how to speak Tagalog also. What age? Anong age ka ba pumunta ng Australia? Like after the 15 years? Ilang taon ka na ba? If you don't mind asking lang.